welcome back to another video. It's me, Briana Marie, and I just wanted to bring you Dollar Tree / affordable makeup tutorial and this bomb hair tutorial. Y'all like me in this curly hair. I just showed you how to maintain it at the end, and that was it. I don't want to keep you long in the intro because this tutorial gave me the flux, y'all. Like, it gave me the flux. I was ready to quit, but I know that it was going to be something, so I just kept going, and this is the final look. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then keep Hi dolls, I am back. I told myself I was going to start doing tutorials more often. Like, I'm trying to do them where like I do them every 4 times a day because I need to be more consistent. That's what I need to be more consistent of. I just feel like I don't have a life though. It's been hectic. It's been crazy. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to achieve a bomb look using affordable / dollar store makeup, okay? That I want to recreate, y'all. And I'm breaking out. So the soap is actually helping me. It's just I have new bumps. Like, this is, I know this is about to turn black. This is about to turn, well, it's already black, and then this is black. So I have to definitely work on it. But I want to show you the look that I'm going to recreate. We're going to be recreating this one. I really like this look. It's so pretty and so tropical, and that blue in the inner tittle. Oh, it's so fat. This is how it looks, and it's just a pomade. It's basically like the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, but I used this on Josh. A tutorial will be up on that. It wasn't as creamy as the Anastasia. This is like more stiff, so I had to take my Duraline and add this in here so that it could soak up some of that product so it could be more loose. Before detailed tutorial up, I will leave it right here above me, and I'll see you guys when I'm done with my eyebrows. I did do my eyebrows off camera. I used a dip brow that I told you about, and then I used LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fine. The only thing about this dip brow, I really don't care for it. I would not purchase this again because it's the consistency. I don't know. It's just like you have to keep digging your brush in this dip brow, and I don't really like that. The other consistency of the ABH is like more creamier, and then like even if you don't pick up that much, it's still pigment there. So I really don't like this one. For now on, if it's drugstore, I will use my Kiss Professional top brow. What I'm gonna do is another comparison. I did find some good finds in the heavy duty camouflage concealer by Hard Candy. It reminds me of the P. Louise base. It's really thick in consistency, and I do not set this. I did do Josh makeup, and I didn't set this concealer at all. Brush. I did not find any affordable brushes, y'all. For brow bone highlight, what I'm gonna do is take my Maybelline. What is this one? That Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm going to take this, mix it with a little bit of this. This is the Milani Fleet Elements palette. Mind you, this is still wet. It is not dry at all. And I'm just patting this on. So it does crease bad. I went in with was the Take Me to Brazil palette, but I have the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm just going to use the shade because they all have the same colors in there. I want to use this neon green right here, and she picked that up first, and then she went in with another green out of another palette. Morphe 504 brush. Key is to pack the eyeshadows on and not blend. Pack on because it's wet. I want to disturb the product because it's wet. So you don't want to just go in and then it's just going to look, I don't know, it's not going to look right. So it's basically like powder. It's in it already with powder, which is the shadow.
Right here that I'm putting on with an M514 brush, and it is just this really neon yellow shade. It's gorgeous. It looks kind of green in the pan, but it's yellow. So I'm just going to start by blending this shade into my crease and really smoking it up and outward. So I'm going to smoke it up towards my brow bone, and I'm not going to be afraid to take it further into the inner corner. And also we have that takedown, so don't be afraid to really smoke it out on that outer corner as well.
I'm taking my Morphe 35B, and I'm taking my green. I'm taking the green out of this palette, and I'm going in with my Morphe 441 brush. Swiping it on, I'm doing the same method as the first shade. I'm pretty good. It's just that I'm not used to it.
And everybody's always talking about how they discontinued the 35B palette, whatever. But the way that again, and I'm also going to be dipping into the black just a little bit to give it a little bit of dimension. That is also a good tip for you guys if you guys want like more depth.
Alright, so she dipped into black. Just a little bit, which is this one from the 35B palette. Morphe 506. That's cute though.
Have a deep enough green, like for instance I didn't have a deep enough green for this look, so I just added a little bit of black, and that's how I get that depth that I'm looking for. Also, I'm taking my M507 brush as well. The lower that I get on the crease, the smaller.
M506 brush is what I'm using, but y'all, she didn't use this much black, so I'm just gonna smudge it out. She just used a little bit, and I see what she's saying, but don't use this much black. Back in with my brush because I'm trying to blend. I'm gonna grab this pink shade right here, orange, and then this neon. I want to say this, and makeup enthusiasts or makeup artists, whatever you call yourself, whatever you are, knows the difference between what she's used to using and what she's not used to using. So I'm definitely not used to using that concealer, and especially not wet. Y'all know I set my concealers except for the base that P. Louise made. I don't set it, and I love that base so much, but the concealer still looks wet. I love these colors. Like, these colors are bomb. But it's just something about the look. And I know exactly what it is. It's the concealer. You always have to have the right concealer, y'all. I'm telling y'all. With this Dollar Tree LA Colors liquid liner. I tried this before, but I like it matte. And this isn't. I don't like this liner. And I just don't like the felt tip. I don't like the applicator of this liner. I have my wig right here, but before I put on my wig, y'all, I just want to say today has been the roughest tutorial ever. Like, I literally almost lit this house on fire, y'all. Like, it was that real. I was trying to light that candle back up because I blew it out, and I was thinking like, girl, why would you blow it out if you come back down here? You know, but I'm just being cautious because I didn't want to leave the candles lit. Girl, I put some tissue because, you know, if I do that, it's gonna burn my finger. I put some tissue. The tissue lit up so fast, y'all. I spilled it on the floor. My fake toenail off my toe, because I do a fake toenail because my toes are small like booty diggers like my hands. Oh my goodness. I'm in with Kalai hair. This is the curly hair that y'all saw me in last time, and I'm just gonna put this on my head, and I just want to show you how I maintain it. Basically using some water and conditioner. Alright, so I'm gonna take my conditioner and just spray it. So can y'all tell the difference from me getting it soaking wet to it being dry on this side? It is like not wet at all. This hair is now drenched in water. What I'm going to do is I'm just basically going to let it dry. If I had a comb, I would have detangled the curls, but I'm just going to basically run my fingers through it like this. It's a way of me detangling it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take some pictures and wait for this to dry, and I'll be right back. I'm going to fill in the rest of my brows. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I want to hear you guys' thoughts in the comment section below. Let me know and tell me what do you think about some of these products. Get to comment, rate, and subscribe, and share this video. And then I'll see you guys on the next video.